the planets and the solar system.
Good morning, class! This is the day that we have been waiting for. We are going to the planetarium. We will observe the different heavenly bodies that can be found in space. For this trip, you need to take note of the important details that our tour guide will be discussing during the trip. Please ask questions if there are things that are not clear to you. Always stay with your partner and follow the rules and regulations of the planetarium.
Good morning. I'll be your tour guide for today. We are going to learn about the different heavenly bodies that can be observed in our universe. Let us begin our trip to the solar system. Do you know what the solar system is?
I think that the solar system is the sun and all of the planets.
Very good. Our solar system is considered as all of the heavenly bodies in space that are attracted by the gravity of the sun, which is the center of the solar system. It provides heat and light energy to the different planets. Aside from the sun, there are other heavenly bodies that can be found in the solar system.
We can see the 8 planets moving around the sun, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Yes, that's correct. Let's find out the characteristics of each planet. The planets are grouped into 2. The inner planets, which are composed of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are called terrestrial planets. They are near the sun and mostly made up of rocks. Let's learn more about these planets. The first planet that you see is Mercury. It is the nearest planet to the sun and also the smallest among the planets in the solar system. Did you know that it has no atmosphere?
Wow, is it very hot in Mercury?
Because of its nearness to the sun, it is very hot in planet Mercury, but it is not considered the hottest planet. Why? We will find out as we discuss the second planet, Venus. Venus is considered the hottest planet because of its atmosphere. Its atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide, and it is covered by thick sulfuric clouds that trap the heat, which causes the extreme heat in Venus. It has the same size as the Earth, which is why it is called Earth's twin sister. Do you know that even during daytime you can still see this planet? It is the shiniest object that you can see in the sky. That's why it is called the morning and evening star.
I am excited about the third planet, Earth.
Of course, Earth is our very own planet, the only living planet in the solar system so far. Why do you think that is?
I think it's because Earth has soil that is good for the growth of plants.
We also have bodies of water that are important for living organisms.
Correct. Aside from that, we have an atmosphere. It is made up of nitrogen and other gases that help us to breathe. Earth also has one moon named Luna. We see Luna every night when we look at the sky.
How about the next planet, Mars? Can we consider it as a living planet?
Let's find out if Mars is capable of supporting life. Mars is known as the red planet. It appears red because the iron minerals in the soil form rust, causing the soil and atmosphere to look red. Do you think plants can live in this kind of soil?
No, plants cannot grow in this condition.
That's right. Mars's atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide and other gases. Human beings, animals, and other organisms cannot survive without oxygen.
Isn't it that Mars has 2 moons?
They are named Phobos and Deimos.
It also has the famous volcano called Mount Olympus.
Very good. Now you've learned about the 4 inner planets in the solar system. The next group of planets that we will visit is called the Jovian planets. They are also known as gaseous planets. They are huge in size, and they are very cold because of their distance from the Sun.
Oh, that's Jupiter. It is so big and so colorful.
That's right, Paul. Jupiter is considered as the biggest planet in the solar system. It is famous for its great red spot. Did you know that you can fit 6 Earths on it? That's how big the red spot is. Jupiter rotates for about 9 hours and 55 minutes, which makes it one of the fastest rotating planets.
That planet looks as beautiful as Jupiter.
Oh, that's Saturn. It appears very beautiful because of its colorful rings that are made up of ice and rocks. It is made of hydrogen and helium. It also rotates on its axis fast.
How about that planet that appears bluish-green?
That's Uranus. Have you noticed its rings? Compared with other planets, Uranus has vertical rings, which are mostly made up of rocks and ice. It appears green because of the presence of methane in the atmosphere.
Uranus and Neptune have the same color. Do they both have methane in their atmosphere?
Yes, both planets have methane in their atmosphere. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. And that's the end of our tour. I hope you learned to differentiate each planet of the solar system through their unique characteristics. See you soon!